In this video, we will derive a formula for magnetic field at the center of a current carrying square coil. Suppose this is a current carrying square coil in which I current is flowing, and side of the square is A. So length of wire of each side is small a. Now we have to calculate magnetic field at the center of this square shaped coil, means at the point where diagonals cross each other, at this point too. So we know that magnetic field due to a straight current carrying wire is given by B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon R, inside the bracket sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. See in this diagram, in previous video I have proved it. Now draw perpendicular ON on this PS. So this distance NO will be equal to A by 2 by simple geometry. So magnetic field O due to this current carrying wire whose length is A and current flowing through it is I, means one side of this square shaped coil. So B1 is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon far distance R, right, A upon 2. This distance NO is A upon 2, and this angle is 45 degree and this angle is also 45 degree. So inside the bracket sin 45 plus sin 45. So this is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2I upon A. Inside the bracket 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. Now this 1 becomes 2. So B1 is equal to mu naught 2I upon 4 pi A into 2 and in denominator root 2. So B1 is equal to mu naught 2I into 2 upon 4 pi A root 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. So this cancels this 4. So B1 is equal to mu naught I upon pi A root 2. So this is magnetic field due to current flowing in one side of this square shaped coil. Now there are 4 such sides. So net magnetic field B will be sum of all these. So B8O due to square coil in which I current is flowing, B is equal to 4B1. This is equal to 4 mu naught I upon pi A root 2. Now by right hand thumb rule, direction of this magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and inward. See, this is diagram for right hand thumb rule. So direction of magnetic field at the center is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and inward. So direction of magnetic field is like this. Now if number of turns in the coil are capital N, then B is equal to 4 mu naught Ni upon pi A root 2, where mu naught is permeability of free space and its value for free space or air is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Now here is a numerical based on Biot-Savart law. A line element delta L is equal to delta Xi is placed at the origin and carries a current I is equal to 10 ampere. What is the magnetic field on the y-axis at a distance of 0.8 meter? डेल्टा एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहे हैं कि अगर जैसे कोई मान लीजिए वायर कोई है, उस वायर का एक पार्ट इस क्वेश्चन में ले लिया गया है जिसकी लेंथ जो लाइन एलिमेंट है कितना है, वो उसकी लेंथ है 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. ये 0.5 सेंटीमीटर का लाइन एलिमेंट इसको हमने ओरिजिन में से रख दिया. और भी वायर होगा जो करंट आ रही है लेकिन वो उसको नहीं शो किया गया है. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ओनली ड्यू टू दिस करंट एलिमेंट. So its length delta x is given as 0.5 सेंटीमीटर और ये किस डायरेक्शन में, x एक्सिस के along है, बिकॉज इट इज रिटेन एज डेल्टा एक्स इंटू आई, बिकॉज आई इज यूनिट वेक्टर along द डायरेक्शन ऑफ x एक्सिस. और इससे 0.8 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पर y एक्सिस में इस पॉइंट पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगी ड्यू टू दिस करंट एलिमेंट, ये हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो दिस डिस्टेंस r विच इज इक्वल टू y is given 0.8 meter. Now by Biot-Savart law we know that magnitude of this small magnetic field due to current element I delta L is given by mu naught upon 4 pi. So dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. Here dl is equal to delta x which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So this is equal to 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now r is 0.8 meter. This angle theta, it is clear that this is equal to 90 degrees. So sin 90 is equal to 1. So substitute these values in this formula. So magnitude of magnetic field dB is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 because mu naught upon 4 pi is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So for mu naught upon 4 pi, write 10 to the power minus 7. dl is 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. Sin theta is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1, and for current I 10 ampere, and for r 0.8 square. Now this is equal to 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 9 upon 0.64 Tesla. So solve it, you will get 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 Tesla. This capital T is for unit Tesla. Now what is direction? So by the vector product of unit vectors along x, y and z axis, this is unit vector along x axis is I, unit vector along z y axis is j, and unit vector along z axis which is perpendicular to this plane is k. So delta x into rj, this is delta x and this is j. So I cross j, by I cross j we will move in positive z direction. So I cross j is equal to k. So direction of magnetic field is along positive z axis, means at this point direct magnetic field lines are coming out from this plane of the paper and they are parallel to z axis. Thanks, have a nice day.